Christmas is coming, and today we are going to be making a 3 easy Christmas DIY to decorate your house or also to give to a friend, family, or your significant other. DIY 1. Our first DIY are some Ferrero Rocher chocolate reindeer treats. The materials we are going to be using are scissors, glue, white paper sheets, brown paper sheets, goggly eyes, and 1 Ferrero Rocher chocolate for each gift.
We are going to grab a brown paper sheet and draw the silhouette of the face of the reindeer. Then, on a white paper sheet, we are going to draw 2 reindeer horns. We are going to cut these parts with the scissors and then glue them together.
Finally, we're going to glue the googly eyes and the chocolate as the nose of the reindeer. This is the final result. Doesn't it look great? You can also add a note in the back for this special person.
Now, moving on, this DIY is mostly for decoration, but you can give it to someone else as a gift. We're going to be making a Christmas tree made out of magazine. Isn't that incredible? The materials for this one are really basic. You just need an old magazine, scissors, glue, shiny silver foamy, and spray paint of the color you want. We recommend you to decorate as you wish.
Let's begin by folding the magazine in half. Now, let's take the last 2 sheets and fold them as seen in the video. We are going to repeat this until all pages are folded. Once they are all done, we will put them in between the gaps as you can see now. You may have to twist the bottom of the tree to make it tighter. This will also prevent it from unfolding.
Must look like a Christmas tree. Then continue to paint it with spray. Finally, you have to cut the foamy in star shapes and glue them to our Christmas tree, so it will look like in the video. Don't forget to put a star on top of the tree.
Finally, our last Christmas DIY consists of spheres. These ones, you can actually put them on the real tree. The materials to be used on this DIY are scissors, cardboard rolls, a ruler, pencil, stretchable thread, glue, acrylic paint, glitter, and hot silicone.
The first step is to fold the cardboard rolls to make them flat. Then, with the ruler, we are going to do 1 cm marks along the rolls and then proceed to cut them. Once we finish cutting them, we will continue painting them inside and outside with the acrylic paint.
Finally, we're going to join the result with silicone as it shows, to be able to put on the Christmas tree. A stretchable thread will be attached to the sphere.
These are the final results. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share.